Morning Year 5. So with apostrophes here, I want to point out some common errors that we see in your work quite a lot. So we've got fish and chips, apostrophe S there. Remember, the apostrophe shows two things. It can show, first of all, whether there's possession, does it belong to them? And also it shows where there are missing letters, where two words have been put into one, a contraction. Well, fish and chips is neither of those. It's a plural, so it doesn't need an apostrophe. The cars were on the road. Again, that does not need an apostrophe because it's just the plural. The S has been used to show there's more than one car. Half-price clothes. Is it showing possession? No. Is it showing that there's missing letters? Half-price clothes is? No, it's not. So it does not belong there. I saw a dog with its bone. Well actually that is possession. But remember, English is rubbish at following rules. So because this is a pronoun, you do not use an apostrophe. Lucy's books were on the table. Well, this error here, they've actually used the possessive apostrophe in the wrong place. The books belong to Lucy, so it should have been Lucy apostrophe S. They are Lucy's books. Right, there's quite a bit of English to be getting on with, so let's focus on those tasks. First of all, you can look at the underlying pattern, how the text has been structured. Have a read of these to know what needs to belong where. That will help you when it comes to your own writing. Next up, maybe you want to include additional paragraphs. So to help you decide what else to include, you need to think, who is your audience going to be? Is it going to be somebody that might want to own an elf as a pet? Or is it somebody who is an evil elf hunter? Think, what else would they want to know? They might want to think, when is the elf most vulnerable? Where does the elf sleep? Okay, I'm not going to give you any more than that. The next one is to sort the structure of the activity. So, for example here, this is the incorrect structure because we start with wrapping it up. Well, that actually means when you wrap something up, that means you finish it. So that's clearly not going to go at the start. I'd also argue it doesn't go in the middle. There's a big clue. But also these other ones here, there's a bit more of a structure going on here as well. For instance, am I going to write about strengths, then habitat, and then weaknesses? Or out of those three, would one follow more naturally on from the other? So think carefully. You've got two ways you can structure this. You can either write the subheadings into the correct boxes, or if you find it easier on Purple Mash, you might just want to write the numbers of the order in which they go in. Best of luck.